Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to send a request to a website, see if it exists, and we're going to use the URL library. If you've not got this on board, you can install it using pip. Okay, so we're going to create a function here called web response. And what we're going to do, we're going to create a variable called response and assign it to URL library.request .url open. Alright, but before we do that, we're going to create some input here. So we're going to get some user input. So this is going to be variable URL is equal to input, and simply enter URL. Okay, and now we're going to type in here URL. What we're going to do here, we're going to put an exception handler called try. So if we get an error, it will throw an error. Okay. And we're going to print website exists if we get a positive response for it. And then if we don't, we're going to throw an exception. URL library.error. And this will throw an error message for us. It'll tell us what the issue is. Oops, a little bit ahead of myself there. That's going to be an error. Okay, so this is going to be a .http error as E. Okay, and then we're going to print out the error. We're going to f-string format it. HTTP error, and this is going to be e.code. Okay, and then we're going to do another exception handler. URL library.error .url error, so a URL error as E. Print and f-string it. URL let's say has a problem. No, I'm just going to put unknown problem. This is going to be e.reason. Right. Okay, I'm just going to save that. I'm just going to run this. Web response. I'm going to run that. Okay, so enter URL. Example.com website exists. Okay, we're going to enter in a malformatted URL. Okay, hit enter. URL unknown problem. Okay, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.